Hey everybody! Today we're going to be talking about why I chose to promote the Legacy Builder program over all the other programs out there on the interwebs that offer master resale rights. I'm Kellie-Ann. I'm a business consultant and a marketing coach here in Montreal, and I'm also a digital product seller. So for the past 9 weeks, maybe 10 weeks, I've been promoting the Legacy Builder. So why am I promoting it and why should you jump in? Here we go, little arts and crafts project here. We're gonna see if this works, okay? So the number one reason, are you ready? 100% profit. So unlike some of the other business models out there, okay, you are not splitting your profits, you're not sharing your profits, there's no upline, no downline, it's 100%. So whatever you sell, if you sell a $900 program, you get $900 and you get the money immediately. So you're not waiting on a check, you're not waiting for money to hit your account at the end of the month. Unlike affiliate marketing or network marketing, as an example, there's no other person sort of tied into your earnings. It's 100% profit, okay? I mean, if that's not a bonus, I don't know what is. So number 2, are we ready? Ding, 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 ding. It's automated. So what does that mean? What does it mean that the business is automated? What that means is that your business, when you join the Legacy Builder, you're handed a complete sales system. And that sales system includes a website, a lead generation funnel, and all the email sequence, the emails that will be sent out to your potential customer. So it operates 24/7 in the background. It's like your 24/7 salesperson. So the automation means you can go on vacation, take your kids to the park, work your other 9-to-5 job. You're not working in the business, right, all day long, 10 hours, 14 hours. The business is automated. It's on autopilot, okay? So here's the other part. Because it's automated, you are not making sales calls and sending DMs and friend requesting people and doing all that really slimy sales stuff that takes up your time and sucks your energy, and it's demoralizing because 9 out of 10 times you're constantly hearing no. You're never going to have to hear no with this business because it's automated. So your only job is to get people interested and hooked. They put their email in and then the email takes over. The sales system takes over and it nurtures and follows up with your prospect. So you're not following up. You're not, picking up you're not in the emails and in the DMs. So none of that. And you can do other things. You're not tied to the business. Your amount of money that you make is not completely tied to how many hours you're going to put in, okay? So number 3, hold on, let's go. You ready? Number 3, well, we're going to, spoiler alert. Number 3, 2-hour workday. Yeah, you heard me right. The Legacy Builder is built around a 2-hour workday premise. They tell you exactly what you should be doing for 2 hours a day. We call them income earning activities. What you should be focusing on to get leads into that sales system so that automated sales system takes over. Basically what to focus on and what not to focus on. Because when you're new to the online world, chances are you're going to be in that sort of hustle mentality where you think you should be doing all the things. And typically all the things means you're not doing any of the things right. So it's a 2-hour workday. Work an hour in the morning, work an hour at night. We tell you exactly what you should be doing for each of those 30-minute blocks, okay? Sometimes I work more on one day, less on the next. I work it around my schedule. So for those of you with young kids or aging parents, or they're already in a 9-to-5, you can work those, 2 hours however you want. But the bonus is we're going to tell you exactly what you need to do within the 2 hours so you really maximize that 2 hour, okay? So spoiler alert. Number 4, live weekly training. Live weekly training. Now this is a big bonus that some of the other programs don't have. And one of the reasons I chose the Legacy Builder is because it is so interactive and so high touch in terms of support. So for live weekly training, every week you get into the community, which is housed in school, and the community is a huge bonus. I think right now there are like 33,000 people in the community, and people are positive. They're friendly. They're supportive. Okay, I had a problem. I actually wrote in the community and someone jumped in and offered and helped me for free. So the community is where we have a calendar, and every day you can look on the calendar and see what kind of trainings are coming up. Okay, live weekly training. See what kind of trainings are coming up. Could be mindset training, could be sales training, could be a training on TikTok, on how to use social media, on how to show up on video. You name it, the sky's the limit. And you're going to be mentored, and these trainings are going to be offered by 6- and 7-figure earners. So they're walking the walk and talking the talk. and you can learn from them and be supported by them. And sometimes you just need a little pick-me-up because, you know, sometimes, let's be honest, things don't go as planned in the day. Maybe some people takes a little bit longer before they start to see results, but it's proven. Like I said, right? 100% profit. It's fully automated, 2-hour workday, live weekly training. As an example, every week you can get on a live Zoom, okay? And you can talk to people in the UK, people who are selling it in South Africa, people in Missouri, people like me in Montreal. And you realize, you know what? If these average everyday people, and I include myself, are doing it, I can too. So you feel supported. Okay, I've been in communities before that offered live trainings and I was so intimidated because people were miserable. Actual people in this community, in the digital growth community in school, are pleasant. They're actually nice and they're not, you know, trolling you and out to shame you or make you feel bad about any of your questions. Okay, and last but not least, ding, 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 ding. You ready? One-time investment. One-time investment. You put your credit card in once. That's it. No money is coming off your credit card every week or every month, unlike some of the other business models out there where it's like pay $1,000 and, you know, every month you have to like buy inventory just to make your quota, just to get your 10%. None of that. One-time investment. You pay once. As an example, the Legacy Builder $900 program, which is really where it's at, people, because that includes 4 other digital products you can sell. Okay, you pay the $900 and then there's a $29 website fee to get your automated system, and that's it. That's all you're spending. So one sale covers your cost because you're making 100% profit with your automated system, working 2 hours a day, taking advantage of the live group training. Make sense? So here's another bonus. If you're Canadian, because I'm Canadian, you can jump into the Legacy Builder and I offer a payment plan. You can pay in 4 easy installments. So not only is it one-time investment, if you're Canadian, you can pay in 4 easy installments. So I can't sing the praises of the Legacy Builder enough. If you are out there and you're looking to jump into the online world and you don't know where to start and you don't have all the time and talent, and energy and deep pockets to build your own service or build your own product, this is a perfect dip your toes in the water option, okay? There you go. If you're an established business owner like me, and you're like, you know what, just emotionally fatigued from all the Zoom meetings and having your paycheck sort of tied to how many hours you can be on Zoom or with private clients, this is a great way to offer and to add a semi-passive income stream into your already existing business, okay? It's totally beginner friendly. We step by step, that sales system, that automated sales system, okay? Step by step, we show you how to connect it. And if you don't want to waste time and connect it yourself, you can pay someone in the community to connect it for you or ask a question. A lot of people are super nice. And when you buy from me, you can ask me a question in the DMs. I will not disappear. I will not disappoint. You can talk to anybody else who's bought it from me. They're still messaging me. Okay, so there it is. 5 reasons why I bought the Legacy Builder. Wait, hold on. There we go. 100% profit, automated 2-hour workday, live weekly trainings, one-time investment. Drop a comment. Drop a comment below and I will send you my free beginner's guide. Or look below, I probably already put the link. I don't know. Send me a DM. That's simple. ProfitBuilder101.com. Bye, guys.